Okay, welcome back. This is Igly with Fractal Visions, and we have made it to GG19 of Gitcoin in 2023. This is the last round of fundraising for Gitcoin grantees in 2023. Fund what matters is the main theme of the new website layout and user interface. And as you get to the Gitcoin Explorer website, explorer.gitcoin.co, if you put that in your URL of your web browser, you'll end up here and you'll see things have completely changed. So let's explain and explore the actual functions and the new features that they've released for Gitcoin and GG19. And the first thing that we're going to start with is the Gitcoin passport. So you can see here at the top that I have a score of 35.867. And my donation impact, since it's above, I believe, 20, then I think it's 20, it goes to 100%. If you're above 15, I believe that's a donation impact of 50%. So yeah, I qualify with 35 points on the passport for 100% of the matching donations. So what does that mean, matching donations? So here in Gitcoin with grants and grantees, there are actually pools of donations called matching pools. And as we scroll down across the main feed of the website, we'll see the different categories. That one you can see down here, there is a 200,000 DAI matching pool. DAI is a stable coin, so that's a 1-to-1 ratio with a dollar, so that's $200,000 in matching funds. And if you have a Gitcoin passport score of, I believe it's 20 or more, then you get this 100% donation impact. That means that when you donate $1 or however much you want to donate to your favorite project, you get 100% of the matching capability out of that $200,000 pool of money that then goes to the projects as well. So your $1 could turn into $2, or it could turn into $5, or it could turn into $10. So yeah, that is how the quadratic matching funds work, and quadratic funding is distributed to all the different projects from the matching pool. So you can see in the Web3 open source software category, there's 100 projects and 200,000 DAI up for grabs. In the Web3 community and education round, which we are a part of, there's 100 projects, it shows there, and 200,000 DAI. And then the climate solutions round, the Arbitrum Citizens Retro Funding round number 1, the 1-inch Latam round, and the governance research round are all here featured on the main page of the Gitcoin Explorer. So this is a big change in the way that the website looks here for exploring the grants. And you can see here that there's also some rounds that are ending soon. So it's really nice the way that they've changed this and made it more intuitive for you to either apply to each round or contribute to each round. So you can see here, this says apply. The round is active. You can still apply to the round, and there's 13 days left in the round. So even though the round has already started, people are donating, you can still apply, and it's not too late to get your grant approved and actually get it into Gitcoin for this round. You can see here the first two categories are on the PGN network, which we've talked about a lot today. And then the climate solutions round is on Optimism, and the other rounds that we talked about here are on Arbitrum. So there is the opportunity to choose many different layer 2 options for funding and helping develop your project. Okay, so now let's explore. Let's go ahead and see what different projects look like during the rounds. So we'll go to the Explore Rounds tab here, and then it should apply the filters and load the page here for us. All right, and then we'll see the different categories. Let's just go to the Web3 community and education round, which is the one that we're participating in. And it's taking a little bit for my computer to load here, so bear with me. It is stuck on a gray screen. Okay, there we go. Come on, internet. It's my Wi-Fi. It's not Gitcoin's website, unless there's really that many people that are trying to donate right now. That would be great. Let's get it. Let's fund what matters. And yeah, overload the website if there's that many people that are going to donate. Let's grow. Okay, so now it's fetching the round, it's loading the round, and we can see that it has pulled up the community round. At the top there is a little nifty box up here that says check out this round's report cards. So that's something we'll talk about a little bit. You can click on that and it'll open up a whole different tab with all of the analytics and the statistics that are live for this current round. Here you can see some of the different projects that just loaded up on the screen, and then you can search for your favorite project or a keyword maybe that you wanted to search for. Let's see if we can get the search bar to work here for us and search for our project. Here we go, Fractal Visions right here. We'll go ahead and click on our project in the Explorer, and wow, we got 11 contributors so far, $13 in funding so far. I'm not sure how many of those are matching funds, but now let's show you an example here. We'll go ahead and add it to our cart, and then we will go to the cart. I think there's another project in here earlier from one of the other rounds for the science categories. So we'll see that one in here as well as soon as our cart loads. Yep, there we are. You can see Fractal Visions and PGN. Now, this is a good example here. I do not want to try and check out on two different networks at once. So I will actually, instead of choosing to donate to both these projects, I'll add LifeShip back into my cart later on. But just for example, you want to be only donating to projects in the same round as well as the same network that you're on. So we're on Ethereum. Let's switch over to PGN. It'll switch me over to PGN here. Oh. I think I prompted my wallet and then it hid from me. So let's see if we can get that to pop back up. Oh, come on now. Let's try that again. Okay, PGN, confirm, and wallet. And of course my wallet hid from me. Okay, well, it's not wanting to switch over, but we could still show, for example, here the matching funds. We'll go ahead and enter 0.1 or 0.001 here. Okay, now it shows me my estimated match for contributing $1.95 would be $115 estimated match. I do not know if that is accurate, but that is crazy if that's true. I'm gonna start donating to a bunch of projects because that is incredible. But of course I can't donate to my own project, so I'll go ahead and take that out of there. I just wanted to show how the matching funds work from the actual Gitcoin passport that we talked about at the beginning of the video. So if you can get to the passport website by clicking here and get your passport set up, then you can get this matching score for your favorite projects. And remember, don't donate to your own projects and break the rules. That'll affect your results in getting the actual matching funds from the quadratic matching pool. So supporting other projects is okay, but it's not good to try and game the system, and that's why the passport has been installed on these rounds. It's to verify that people are human and that they're authentic, honest actors and contributors to the public goods initiatives that we all create on these different networks. Okay, so there are a couple more things that we will talk about with Fractal Vision's actual grant that we've applied for with GG19 as well, but we're gonna save that for another video. This video is mainly focused on the Gitcoin Explorer, the new UI that was done by their development team, and all of the great work that they've done. So we'll save our own project promotion and how we're doing things for our own ecosystem and on Gitcoin for another video. So stay tuned for that one, and go to the explorer.gitcoin.co and go explore the different projects on Gitcoin for GG19. So thanks for watching, and we will see you again soon.